Hi guys, this is Dustin Burrell with CIS 240 class. Today we are doing activity 3-6. I accidentally did activity 3-5 and realized my assignment's actually 3-6. So what you're going to need, log in as administrator on 411 server 1. In this activity, it's creating and applying a quota template. Pretty much you're configuring a Quota template and apply it to a folder. In this activity, you configure a template and apply it to a folder. You then test the quota and quota notifications by copying files to the folder. So I'm logged in as administrator. We're not going to worry about that. Basically, open the file server resource manager console if necessary. That is what I downloaded in activity 5. Gotta wait for my server manager. We'll get here in just a second. Let's see here. No DOM1, no internet access. Let's get there. Okay, so go to your tools when you get a moment on your server manager. Hopefully your guys' moves quicker than mine does. Okay, come down to your file server resource management, open it. Click to expand the quota management as soon as this pops up. Okay, so we're going to expand this and we're going to click on the quota templates to see the list of defined templates in the middle pane. Right click quota templates right here and click create quota template. This is going to open the wizard in the create quota template dialog box. Notice that you can copy settings from an existing template by clicking the copy button, which is right here. Type MKT quota in the template name box. Capital MKT, capital Q, quota. Just a sec. MKT market quota in the template name box and quota for marketing share for the description. What was that quota? Quota for marketing share. Okay. After you get that in the description box, set the space limit to 20 megabytes. This amount of storage is small by today's standards, but is suitable for this example. Leave the default option to the hard quota. Just ignore this every time it comes up. It's on hard quota. Click the add button to add a notification threshold. In this dialog box, you can generate notifications when the folder or volume reaches a certain percentage of the quota limit. See figure 319. Of course, if you're in your book, you can look at 319 to follow along. In the email message tab, you can send an email message to an administrator. The user who exceeded the threshold or both. You can also customize the message by adding text with variable, as you can see in figure 319. If you enable any of the email options, the server must be configured with an SMTP email server. Okay. So following on step 6, page 102, that's where we're at now. Click the event log. As you click the event log, you can specify creating a warning event, which you can customize much like the notification message. The event is created in the application log with event ID 12325 and event source S sorry, just say SRMSVC. You view this log event viewer in the generate notification when use reaches percentage, such as here. Text box type 50. So we're going to want 50 in here for our text box. And then check the send warning to event log to enable event notifications. Click the command tab. This is the tab where you can specify that a command or script should be run when the threshold is exceeded. For example, you could specify a script that delays all temporary files. Click the report tab. Here you can specify generating a storage report if the threshold is exceeding and emailing reports to selected administrators, users who exceed the threshold, or both. This is where you can find that. So click cancel to return to the create quota template dialog box. Note that you can create multiple notification thresholds, each with its own notification messages and events. Click OK. Now that you have a custom template, you can create a quota from it. Right click the market quota. As you right click the market quota template and click create quota from template, the create quota dialog box appears. Click the browse button. Now we're going to specify the path you want to apply the quota to. In the browse for folder dialog box, navigate to C C colons forward slash in the browse for folder dialog box, navigate to C market. I just saw it. Markets. There we go. Okay, C market docs. Click the market docs folder and click OK. Got a little lost there for a second. You can select create quota on path, the default settings, to create the quota for just that folder, or